Hello, it's Monica from Weaver Soap Company, and today I'm going to be making some pine tar soap. I have creosote-free pine tar that I've kind of just warmed up a bit so it's more fluid to go in the soap. I'm going to use tea tree essential oils with this, super fatting with cocoa butter and shea butter, and just a tiny bit of beeswax to kill any ash that may happen. Got my lye water and silk ready to go. So let's get started here. I'm going to pour my lye water into my oils. I have oils of coconut, palm, canola, castor, and shea. Let me get this emulsified here. The last time I made this, about 8 hours later, I needed to cut it because it got that stiff that quick. So I'm going to really watch this today and make sure I cut it right away. I think last time I got so stiff I needed a knife to cut through it the next day. A little bit, looks like it's good emulsified there. I'm going to add in my super fat. And what did I do with my spatula? Here it is. Alright. Get all that in there. No colorants is going into this because it's naturally going to turn a dark brown. I'm going to add in the pine tar now. The stuff is really, really thick. If you don't warm it up, it'll probably be hard to get it all out fluidly. Alright. Try to scrape that off there. And I'm going to dump in my essential oils. It stinks, to be honest, when you're making it. After it cures, you don't smell that pine tar. I'm using just tea tree in this, and that's all you'll smell is tea tree. I've got 2 reviews back on the soap, and it says that they have said that it does the job that they expected it to do. I can't make any medical claims or anything with my soap, but it helped for what they needed. It's getting super thick here, so I'm just going to quick give this a little whisking and get down to business, stop screwing around, and pour this into here. Yeah, it's getting super thick, like pudding. Like, pour me now, or else you're in trouble. Holy moly, it looks like fudge, but don't eat it, right? I hear a lot of times that people say that my soaps look good enough to eat, but I bet you if you tried it, it would not be so. Alright, I'm going to give this a good tap to make sure we don't have any air bubbles down here. Then I think it's thick enough at this point to give it my little signature top. And I've decided that I'm going to add a little bit of flowers to this. And maybe just one-sided flowers too. I kind of like that. I did that last time. And only added flowers to one side of a loaf. Or I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just doing here. I added just kind of like a wave on one side of the loaf and then added flowers. And it turned out really nice. So I'm going to put a little bit of jasmine flowers on here today just to kind of spruce it up. I got some as a sample. And I try not to be wasteful. So I'm just going to stick these little pretty jasmine buds in here just for decorative purposes. I'm trying to get more into my artistic side versus just cranking out soap too. So I'm going to try and take my time and add my artistry to my soaps. My swirls have always been kind of my signature along with my tops, but I'm going to do a little bit more with the tops now. All the compliments of oohs and ahs on, oh, your soap is so pretty, is definitely worth taking the extra time to put these little special treasures on top. I might just leave this other half of the loaf unfloured for some people that don't want flowers. Some people just don't. I'm going to put a little bit off to the side too, so it's not just one little flower in there. Should I be wearing gloves? Yes, because if I touch the soap, it's going to burn my fingers. But the gloves that I have are super clumsy, so I'm just going to be standing right here next to my sink in case I need to wash them real quick. The lye, right now in its state, it would burn, and it would definitely get my skin if I stuck my hand in there, so I'm not going to do that. Alrighty, so let me see if I can't get you off of here and show you what it looks like close up, and hopefully tomorrow I will get a cutting video too of this, or even tonight, I mean. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. That would be wonderful. Thank you.